on, guys? It is K-Dub here with another episode, probably the craziest, most important episode of CryptoZombie ever. Bitcoin has officially hit a new all-time high. The markets are going insane. You can see we are still pumping and pumping. So all I want to say today, I don't want to waste your time. As you can see, there are a lot of other crypto influencers doing live streams right now. Today's going to be a crazy day. I'm wearing the only orange shirt I could find because I took the orange pill. Did you? Well, it has been a tremendous journey. I have waited for this moment for years. I'm sure some of you have as well. To all the hodlers out there, everyone that was saying it could never happen, you're crazy for holding Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin just broke 20,000. In fact, it got all the way up so far to about 20,800, probably going to be even higher on futures today. And look, there will be a pullback. Yes, we will have some kind of a correction eventually, but there is no reason to get upset, and thinking about that now is crazy considering how insane and wonderful today is. So I just want to say thank you so much again for the journey. I will keep today's video super short. You can see we did break through the $19,920 barrier. We did put in a brand new all-time high. This is the first time ever on the daily chart that Bitcoin has actually crossed above $20,000. And if we can hold above 19,920 by the end of this day, then that would officially be the highest candle close for Bitcoin in its existence. So congratulations, pat yourself on the back. Now, having a look right here, we are still in a, potentially in an ascending channel. There is the possibility of Bitcoin even going up to that $21,000 level before having the major correction. Now, anything could happen, guys. It is complete price discovery at this level. We don't have any levels to go off of. This is a new frontier for Bitcoin, but you can see right here, we do have a bit of an ascending broadening wedge over on the Bitcoin futures chart. Now, if we were to pump straight up, that would put the futures at around 23.5K. Now, I told you guys $23,500 was going to be a super significant level for Bitcoin. Now, some people I've seen calling an ascending broadening wedge a bearish pattern. Let me just super quick show you something. Here's a bit of an ascending broadening wedge. We did have a little bit of a dip down here, but the bottom acted as resistance, and this was on the April pump back in 2019. That was when we went up to almost $14,000. Fast forward over here, after we had the crazy sell-off down to $3,000 with the scare. Look at this. We put in another ascending broadening wedge. Yes, it did go sideways, but if I zoom out, look at where we are today. So guys, the trend is your friend until the end. And yeah, do I need to actually zoom out? I think I do need to zoom out. Let's look at the ultimate Bitcoin trend. Highest point ever in Bitcoin's history, which means anyone who ever purchased Bitcoin at any time in its existence, if you didn't sell, you are in profit. Tell me anything else right now in the world that is performing and has performed like Bitcoin. I'll wait. Okay, that's enough. Let's just say that's it for today, guys. There is no reason to go into news, no reason to cover fundamentals. I think today is a simple day for celebration. Look yourself in the mirror and be happy with the decisions that you've made, because look at where Bitcoin is today. So I'm not going to keep rambling on and wasting your time, guys. Like I said, there's lots of other YouTubers doing live streams today. I'm sure it's going to be a crazy day, lots of excitement. You're probably going to hear your friends and family start calling you. You're going to see it on the news. Eventually they're going to mention the all-time high. So we did it. Congratulations. It's been years in the making, and that is it for me today. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. I love every single one of you right now. You are amazing. You are like my best friends. You guys are the reason that I do this every single day. And I am looking forward to the next high and putting in the 200K. 300K, $1 million Bitcoin. They say it can't be done. Well, they said this couldn't be done, and look at where we are today. So thank you for coming back to the channel. My name is K-Dub. This is CryptoZombie. Until next time, stay crypto, and of course, peace out.